Welcome to Leadership Mindset, where our goal each week is to help you get in the right frame of mind to embrace change, to focus your efforts, and to accelerate results. Today's application idea is around vacation, right? It's around preparing for a stress-free vacation, and more importantly, a graceful re-entry upon your return. And the reason that's important, this is the time of year everybody's thinking about vacation, right? And so many people I know get really stressed out before vacation, right? And then we're almost like the first couple days or even their vacation, they're still back at work. Or worse, many people I know when they come back from vacation just feel like they're more stressed out than when they left, right? So I want to offer you some really tangible strategies and tactics that you can put into practice to have a stress-free vacation and a graceful reentry upon your return. And I put together a simple one-pager, right? It's a cheat sheet. I call it a vacation prep guide. It's available off my website. Go to lxu.training/vacation. I'm going to highlight a few things here for you to kind of help get you started. And the more detail you can find on my website. So first and foremost, I encourage you to do is actually get out a notebook and think in terms of your clients and your team. Like if you open up a notebook, on the left-hand side, put your clients, on the right-hand side, put your team, and just document before you leave where everybody's at, where your clients at, what are the issues you're currently discussing, where your team's at, what are the current things you've recently tasked them with. And this will serve you as a way of getting it out of your head so you don't have to worry about when you're on vacation, and it'll serve as a friendly reminder when you come back. So I just encourage you to, get out a notebook and write all those things down. And I list a bunch of questions to tease you with in my vacation prep guide. Next thing I want you to consider is actually meeting or speaking with each one of your clients and each one of your teammates on your team before you leave. Let them know you're going on vacation, right? Let your clients know, hey, look, I'm going to be on vacation. Anything important you need me to attend to before I go. Here's where I'll be, and here's when I'm coming back, right? I prefer that than getting those random email messages, and you later find out, oh my God, I didn't realize they were on vacation. Just proactively outreach to them, right? Pre-game, let them know who's going to be in charge, who they can speak to while you're away. Same with your team, right? Let your team, when I talk about team, I'm talking about the people that work for you and the people you partner with to get your job done. Let them know where you're going. Let them know who's going to be in charge. Which actually brings us to the next point, which is to delegate responsibility. You got to delegate responsibility for the tasks that are on your plate to somebody. In some cases, maybe you delegate multiple people to act for you while you're away. But the one thing I will tell you is I would encourage you to designate at least one person, right, to be your point person, right? So if anything comes up while you're away for vacation, tell everybody to funnel all that through to this one person. This one person you're going to grant permission to get a hold of you in case of emergency. And then you got to find out what an emergency is. This has really helped me a lot over the years. I've always designated one person. Hey, look, John's the one person who's going to know where I am and how to get a hold of me. And I want you to funnel all your requests. If there's anything that comes up that requires my immediate attention or is an emergency that you need me involved in, please funnel through John. I don't want everybody pounding my cell phone. And then what I'll do is I'll actually schedule a check-in with the person I designate at least once or twice when I'm on vacation. Now I know this gets controversial sometimes because people want to say they want to go away and completely unplug and all that kind of stuff. Well, to me, I'd rather check in for 5 or 10 minutes with my point person proactively than come back and find a bunch of crap when I get back from work. So what I would do is hey, John's my acting person, right? Or Sandy or whoever, right? Hey, I'm gonna call you on Tuesday, roughly around noon, and I'll call you on Thursday. But do me a favor. I would encourage them to get out, make a Riv list, and you should encourage them to make a list for you. So when they get you, what they're going to do is they're going to go through. I might only get you for like 5 minutes. I might only get you for 2 minutes. I might only get you for 20 minutes. Don't know. I could be at an ice cream stand, right? I'm checking in real fast. So you better hit me with the things that are most important. So that's the thing. I provide coaching for the people I designate to act for me, to be my point person while I'm away. The next thing I want you to do is that I really encourage you to do is to clear your calendar the day you get back. And I know it sounds crazy, but like if you can clear the whole day, awesome. If not, at least promise me you clear the morning. If you can dedicate, like say you come back on a Sunday, then you should clear Monday. Just block Monday all out. I've told this to so many people have come back and thanked me for that afterwards, saying, oh my God, thank God, right? As I cleared my Monday. Because your role when you come back as a leader is to play mayor, is to go around and talk to all those people that you left in charge and get status updates and find where things are at, right? That's your job the first couple hours you get back from vacation. That'll allow you to gracefully re-enter back into the work mindset. And the second point, remember that notebook I told you to make notes earlier? That's the notebook you crack open when you get back. You say, okay, where were we? Where were we with these clients? And you go talk to the people that were acting for you and holding on the fort. Okay, give me an update on that. Okay, where are we with the team? Give me an update on that. Okay. Two other things I want to highlight for you is before you leave, select your reading material. Vacation is a great opportunity to catch up on things and really continue to educate yourself, to be a student. If you're going to the beach, pick 2 or 3 books that you've been meaning to bring with you, right? If you're flying on a plane, what's your reading material on the way out and the way back? That's how I catch up on a lot of my reading material, is I select it ahead of time. And lastly is get one of those like little, go to Barnes and Noble or whatever, or get online on Amazon, get one of those like little pocket notebooks and carry them with you on your vacation, because I gotta tell you, I get some of my most breakthrough ideas when I'm on vacation. So you never know where that's gonna happen. Sometimes I'm walking on the boardwalk, sometimes I'm sitting on the beach, sometimes I'm in a plane in an airport and I get an idea and I wanna write it down somewhere. So have a little handy pocket notebook. You just never know when that aha moment's gonna occur, and you wanna be able to capture it. And right there, that's really will help you get into the right mindset, and most importantly, will help when you return to get you to gracefully enter back in and pick things up where you went. So I go through a much more detail on this, again, in the one-pager. It's available to you. It's free. Just go to my website, again, lxu.training/vacation. You can download it from there, and it has a little more details. And obviously, if any questions pop up, do me a favor. Pop me an email, message me, text me. We'd love to help you out. Right? Hope you have a great vacation, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Imagine for a moment that you're exactly where you're supposed to be. The task in front of you is in fact something you were meant to do. Maybe it's the start of the next big thing in your life. Maybe it's a stepping stone to get you on the right track. All I know is when I reflect back, I am amazed at the challenges that I would often complain about were the same ones that supplied me with the wisdom and experience to succeed where I am today. I bet the same is true for you. Imagine if you could shift your perspective and begin to accept the challenges and fears that sometimes cross your path. Instead of agonizing over them, imagine seeing them as an amazing opportunity to learn and grow. Imagine the difference that would make in your life, both personally and professionally. If this is something you're interested in, I invite you to register for my free masterclass, Mindset Shift. And I'll show you how you can shift your perspective to achieve more. All you have to do is follow the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and do me a favor. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and of course, subscribe to this channel, because every week I'm putting out content to show you how you can embrace change, focus your efforts, and accelerate results.